Most people get this wrong. They think Patriot Savers is just another basic savings app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines high-yield savings, financial tracking tools, and flexible cash access in a single platform, making it more than just a place to store money. Here's how it works. Patriot Savers allows users to deposit funds into high-interest accounts while offering tools to track spending, set budgets, and even access short-term cash advances if needed. The interest rates in 2026 are competitive, helping your savings grow faster than traditional banks. One of the standout features is the app's goal-setting tool. You can set targets for emergency funds, vacation savings, or large purchases, and monitor progress with real-time updates. This makes it easier to stay disciplined and see tangible results. Another plus is the optional cash advance feature. If an unexpected expense pops up, you can borrow a small amount directly from your account balance, avoiding third-party loans and high fees. The app clearly shows repayment schedules, so you always know what to expect. The downside? Overusing the advance feature or treating the account like a checking account can reduce your savings growth and may lead to additional fees. Tips for responsible use. 1. Use the cash advance feature sparingly and only for emergencies. 2. Set realistic savings goals and track your progress regularly. 3. Treat your Patriot Savers account primarily as a savings tool, not a spending account. Who benefits most? Individuals looking for a mix of high-yield savings, financial tracking, and emergency cash access in one app. Those who struggle with discipline may need to set strict boundaries to avoid overspending. In conclusion, Patriot Savers in 2026 is a versatile, user-friendly platform that can help you grow your savings while providing short-term support for unexpected expenses, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a tool for disciplined financial growth, and you'll see the benefits. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical tips to grow your money.